showing you some different kinds of Play-Doh, and this comes in my giant busy box. And this one's my brown Play-Doh, and then I got some black, some white, some orange, some green, and some purple, and some red, and some yellow, and some blue and hot pink. And I'm going to make different kind of stuff. And I'm going to start by making a little bowling ball. So I'm going to shake this with my white. First, I'm going to make this into a ball, because I'm going to need a ball with my green. And I'm going to make a little circle. I'm going to make this, and I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to take this part to make the circle at the top. Then I'm going to use this to make the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to smash it down on my table, and I'm going to fold it up, and then I'm going to smash it on. Now, at the end, I am going to make this all fancy. I'm going to make it all decorated. And then what I'm going to do with all of these colors is break them. So I'm going to break this. And then I'm going to use that. Break this. Use this big part. I'm going to break this. Use this a lot big. This off. This. And I'm going to make this black. Take this off. And then this. These two, you can just put them back together when you're done. And I know this favorite was too small. And then, oh, I missed my black. So, got smush it. Then I'm going to break this part off. And then I'm going to start with my little pink and make the decorations now. Because I'm just making this a bowling ball and a bowling pin, just one. So then, all I'm doing is making the top, because that's going to keep it steady. Just watch. It's going to be like, whoop, whoop, whoop. So I need something to make it flat on the bottom. So I'm going to use my hot pink. It won't mix. It's going to mix a tiny bit, but not that much. Then watch. It's going to stand up by itself. Wow! Going to need something else. Just can't do it. So we're going to need some. Let's make these two together. I'm still in my pajamas. Let's make this on the bottom. We need this more flatter. I'm sorry. It's flat. And we make it more flat. So that's it. And then it's time to almost decorate. So we gotta smash it on. Wow, it's so twisty. Yeah. It's all falling still. We need to make it more flatter. Okay. And then we're done. Now, I think I'm going to use my blue to make some little balls. Oh, one more thing. I'm in my dining room. And I'm going to make some balls. I know that's not how bowling pins are, but that's my way. Then I'm going to use my black, make a big, long stripe. It's wobbly. That's what I'm trying to make. Yeah. This is not all I'm going to do. I'm going to show you around my house, and I am going to... Oh, And this last thing, I'm telling you, it's my first day doing this. Just flopped over. What? Then we're going to set this, and then we're going to put it here. We're going to wrap it here. Then this, we are going to make it a little. We're going to use my little yellow to make it into a sun. Because you know when you're bowling and it's dark, sometimes it's bright. We are going to stick this on my wall. Okay. Mom, can you grab me a paper bag? Because I'm almost done. Yeah, like those little plastic bags that we use for my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Those ones. Sorry. Because I'm going to need it in a couple of minutes because my video is almost done. So. Sorry. I'm not going to show you on my next video. Daddy's going to be so excited that I did my first video. Oh, and I'm making a smiley face on my son. Wow! It fell. You guys like my video, but it's almost done. I was going to save it. Now, my sun is almost done. Here's my falling apart sun. Okay, I'm not going to make a sun. I'm going to make a little straw. No, hold on the floor. 1 second. Sorry, that was wobbly. I'm going to make all my yellow. And my great busy bars. Okay. But I know you guys can. Oh! My bowling ball is all done. And it's the end of my video now. I'm sorry that I can't make some stuff done. I have to rip it apart. Put it in a paper bag. So. Plastic bag. And tomorrow I'm doing my second video. So, see you tomorrow. I hope you like my video. Oh, we're putting this into YouTube.